At Visionary Minds Preschool, children are happily learning sounds and identifying picture cards in a joyful and playful way. Today's focus is on 6 important sounds: A, C, P, T, N, and I. The classroom is filled with excitement as the teacher introduces the sounds one by one, and the children listen carefully, repeat the sounds aloud, and proudly hold up their picture cards. The sounder comes first, and little voices echo with delight. A, apple, A, ant, A, arrow. Each child repeats slowly, enjoying the rhythm of the sound. Their small hands lift cards with apples, ants, and arrows, and their eyes sparkle with confidence. Then the sound C is introduced: C, cat, C, cup, C, car. The children smile, laugh, and show their cards quickly, matching the sound with the right picture. Every correct match brings cheers and claps, making learning exciting and memorable. As the activity continues, the teacher introduces the sound P. The children repeat joyfully: P, parrot, P, pig, P, pen. The room fills with energy as they point to their picture cards, showing their understanding. Step by step, sound by sound, their confidence grows. Now comes the sound T, and the children chant together: T, tiger, T, table, T, top. Their voices are stronger, their actions quicker, and their cards held higher with pride. Next, they move to the sound N, repeating with focus and clarity: N, nest, N, net, N, nose. The sound flows smoothly, and children giggle as they show their cards to friends. Finally, the sound I arrives: I, insect, I, igloo, I, ink. Each child points to the right picture, smiles widely, and claps when they succeed. The teacher then mixes the sounds, and the children listen carefully, waiting to hear A, apple, C, cat, P, parrot, T, tiger, N, nest, I, insect. Each sound is matched with its picture, and each correct answer brings more joy. The activity becomes more playful as the sounds are given in different orders: P, pig, A, ant, T, top, I, insect, N, net, C, cup. The children are alert, quick, and excited, their listening skills sharpening with every turn. This activity is more than just repeating sounds, it is about building memory, focus, and the foundation for reading. Every time they repeat a sound, it becomes stronger in their mind. Every time they lift the right card, they build confidence. The classroom is filled with laughter, clapping, and the cheerful voices of little learners who are discovering the magic of language. Teachers guide gently, encouraging every child to participate and celebrating every small success. At Visionary Minds Preschool, phonics is never taught with pressure, it is taught with play, discovery, and joy. These moments create lasting memories, where learning feels like a game, and games become powerful lessons. Children learn that A is for apple, C is for cat, P is for parrot, T is for tiger, N is for nest, I is for insect. They repeat them again and again, until the sounds flow naturally and easily. The repetition strengthens their listening, sharpens their concentration, and lays the foundation for reading and writing. The teacher calls out sounds at random, and the children eagerly respond: C, cat, I, insect, T, tiger, N, nest, P, pig, A, ant. The room is alive with voices and happy energy. Each child feels included, each child feels proud, and each child feels successful. Parents watching can see how quickly young learners pick up skills when taught in a fun and meaningful way. What begins as a simple game of sounds and picture cards becomes the first step toward confident reading. Day by day, sound by sound, these little learners are preparing for a bright future. At Visionary Minds Preschool, every learning activity is designed to nurture confidence, independence, and a love for learning. The children clap together, cheer for each other, and laugh as they learn. Their small voices, repeating A, C, P, T, N, I, are the beginnings of literacy. Their joyful expressions are proof that learning is most powerful when it is filled with happiness. Today's activity with sounds and picture cards has given them not only knowledge, but also the confidence to explore, the excitement to participate, and the joy of learning. Tomorrow they will learn more sounds, more words, and more connections, but today they have built the foundation for it all. This is the Visionary Minds way, where sounds turn into words, words turn into reading, and reading turns into confident learners. Here, every sound matters, every child matters, and every joyful moment of learning is celebrated. Yojak Chinni Yojak Chinni.